Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening Mokshangna. Good evening Jaswant. Good evening Takshil. Good evening Watch Movies. Good evening Arman. Good evening Vaishnavi. Good evening Nilesh. Good evening Khushi. Good evening Amita. Good evening Shubhanjali. Good evening to Aditya, Sarita. Then Rayan. Good evening. Aditya classes. Good evening. A very good evening to everyone. Good evening Shahid. Good evening, Aradhya. Good evening. Very good evening to everyone. Good evening, Manasmita. Good evening, Vineet. Good evening, Prashant. Good evening to everyone. And a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Okay, so today we have Independence Day. First of all, sorry, the class got a little late. Okay, I'm 7 minutes late and a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Today we have celebrating the Independence Day. Good evening, Aradhya. Good evening, Harsh. Good evening, Vineet and Manasmita. We are just starting with the marathon class. Okay, we are just starting with the marathon class. Abhi marathon class nahi hua hai. Start now. We are going to start the questions. Okay. So everyone, let's get started with the marathon of GK, where we are going to practice 75 questions on the occasion of today's Independence Day. So very first of all, for everyone who is getting connected with the session for the first time, do not forget to subscribe the channel Knowell Bell and press the bell notification next to it. Also, every one of you, do not forget to press the like button. Okay, and let me know my voice is clear to everyone. Any difficulty in the voice? Good evening Parth. Good evening Kavna. My voice is clear, and then we'll start very quickly. Let me check. Voice is clear. Okay, thank you Arman, Manasmita, everyone. Okay, no difficulty. Okay, so let us start with the question number 1 for the today's session. The question number 1 is, headquarters of United Nations are located in? There you go. The first question, let us see who answers it first. The headquarters of United Nations is located in. Yes, Jaswant, I'll keep a tab. First answer is given by Hartesh. Correct. Then Ankit, Vineet, Prashant, Ankit. Arman is also correct. Yo-Yo Gamer is also correct. Jaswant is also correct. Ankit, Khushi, Yo-Yo Gamer. Okay, everyone is correct here. Almost. Deepthi is correct. Mokshangna, Kavna, Anita, Samar, Sarita, Manasmita, Parth, Aradhya, everyone is correct here. The first answer was given by Harsh for this question. Where are headquarters of United Nations located? The headquarters of United Nations are located in New York, USA. This is a very important question. This question has been asked in the previous year. तो आप मार्क कर सकते हो it as PYQ, that is previous year question. Headquarters of United Nations are located in USA. Okay, so in this question we will have a look. The first answer was given by Harsh. Okay, so we will keep a tab. सबसे ज़्यादा first answers किसने दिए हैं? Because yesterday all of you requested me. Okay, question number 2. Official language of United Nations include French, Chinese, English, all of these. Okay, Aradhya is new. Yes. Second, A. Deepthi have provided first, but it is incorrect. 1000 RAM. Incorrect. Kavna, no. Khushi has answered. Vineet and Khushi. Vineet answered first for this question. The answer is correct, Vineet. The second answer is given by Kavna. Okay, so Kavna is correct. Khushi is also correct. Official languages of United Nations. Quickly. Mokshangna is correct. Yo-Yo Gamer. Deepthi C is not the answer. Jaswant is also correct. Very good. Okay. No, Aradhya, C is not the answer. Official language of United Nations. United Nations में French is the official language. Chinese is the official language. English is also the official language. Okay. So the answer would be all of these. Okay. D, all of these is the correct answer. All the three of them are the official languages of United Nations. This time the first answer was given by Vineet. Okay, so good Vineet and good everyone. याद रखेंगे all the three of them, French, Chinese and English, are the official languages of United Nations. Next we have question number 3. Headquarters of World Bank are located in Washington DC, Geneva, Manhattan or Switzerland. Where are the headquarters of World Bank located? Okay, Prashant. Okay, Hartesh have given A, then we need B. Headquarters of World Bank. Where are the headquarters of World Bank located? A very important question. Let's see. Okay, a lot of answers are coming there. A, B, A. So there is a confusion between Washington DC and Geneva. So right answer क्या है यहाँ पे? The right answer is headquarters of World Bank are located in Washington DC. ये कहाँ से question है? These are all the questions from the topic of international organizations in GK. Okay, from the topic of international organizations in GK, these are all the questions. Where are the headquarters of World Bank located? They are located in Washington DC, not in Geneva. Okay, so everyone, the right answer is Washington DC. First answer for this question was given by Deepti. No, Hartesh. Hartesh gave the answer first and the correct answer. So good. The first answer was given by Hartesh. Headquarters of World Bank are located in Washington DC. Question number 4. International Criminal Police Organization. International Criminal Police Organization is also known by the name of International Court of Justice, Interpol, Interpolice, Intercom. What is the right answer? Fourth. No, C is incorrect here. Hartesh, A is not the correct answer. A is not the correct answer. No, no. Till now, no one has given correct answer. Interpolice, no Takshil. Interpolice is not the correct answer. Intercom is also not correct answer, Viren. Shubhanjali, A is not correct. Ankit has given answer correctly. Very good. Samar is correct. Ankit is correct. Vineet is correct. Jaswant, you gave first, but your answer was incorrect. The correct answer here is B. Interpol. Interpol का name सुना है? The name of Interpol. Interpol का meaning है International Criminal Police Organization. Okay, International Criminal Police Organization, very commonly is known by the name of Interpol. So right answer is Interpol here. Interpol का work क्या है? The work of Interpol is to maintain peace और in a way जो police organizations हैं all across international police जिसको हम कहते हैं, that is Interpol. So International Criminal Police Organization is known by the name of Interpol. Okay. Next is question number 5. The world's largest international organization is United Nations, FIFA, Unicef or Interpol. Which one among the following is world's largest international organization? FIFA. No, FIFA is not the right answer. Rayan is correct here. Vineet is correct here. 100 Ram is correct. Prashant is correct. Deepti, Shubhanjali correct. UNICEF. UNICEF is a part of United Nations. So right answer is United Nations. ठीक है? World's largest international organization. World का सबसे बड़ा international organization कौन सा है? International organization is United Nations. After United Nations comes FIFA. So world's largest, that means first largest international organization is United Nations. So याद रखेंगे, this is also a very important question. World's largest international organization is FIFA. Question number 6. When was World Health Organization WHO established? When was WHO established? A very important question. Oftentimes in various exams it is asked. Manasmita answered A. Yes, Aradhi, you have not studied this yet. This is a part of international organizations. Rayan is correct. Ankit is correct. Vineet, B is not the correct answer. Amita, B is not correct. Viren, B is not correct. Payal, Aditya, correct. Yo-Yo Gamer, correct. Mokshangna is also correct. Khushi, C is not the right answer. When was World Health Organization established? World Health Organization was established on 7th of April 1948. I am hoping all of you are having a notebook with yourself right now. So एक notebook और pen लेके बैठे होंगे. In that write down World Health Organization established on 7th of April 1948. A very important question. When was WHO established? World Health Organization was established on 7th of April 1948. Clear everyone? For everyone it seems like आपने answer correct first किया. Okay, we will stop keeping a tab of first thing. Okay, so question number 6. World Health Organization was established on 7th of April 1948. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian to make a speech in Hindi at United Nations General Assembly? Most important question from international organization. Who was the first Indian to make a speech at United Nations General Assembly? Do not understand this question, Shubhanjali. Question कह रहा है that first Indian कौन थे जिसने United Nations General Assembly में first time हिंदी में speech दिया था? Okay. C is not the correct answer. Prashant, Amita, Aditya correct. Vineet correct. Takshil, A and B is not the answer. कोई एक आंसर होगा. Mokshangna is correct. Adarsh is correct. Sarita is correct. Himanshu is correct. Ankit is correct. Deepti, A is not correct. Arman, Sarita correct. Srushti, C is not the correct answer for this question. The first Indian to make a speech in Hindi at United Nations General Assembly was our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first Indian जिन्होंने United Nations General Assembly में हिंदी में speech दी थी. Why giving speech in Hindi for the first time in United Nations General Assembly इतना important है? For two reasons. सबसे पहले because at that time Hindi was not the official language of the United Nations. तो हिंदी में speech देना was very big thing at that time. Okay, it was a very big thing, and most importantly, it was first time ever that someone has given speech in Hindi and United Nations General Assembly. That's why this question is important. It was the first Indian and also the first time when Hindi was being spoken at United Nations General Assembly, because United Nations General Assembly का जितना भी work है, it happens in one of its official language. Official language जैसे हमने देखा French, Chinese, English, in one of the languages. Okay, so हिंदी में उन्होंने वहाँ पे speech दिया था. Clear to everyone? Tomorrow's class timing. Tomorrow's class time Mokshangna 8:15 p.m. again. Okay. Okay. Next is question number 8. Who among the following elects the judges of International Court of Justice? What is International Court of Justice? International level पे जैसे we have Supreme Court, like we have High Courts in India. The same way international level पे अगर कोई ऐसा situation होता है which needs the court interference, so for that we have International Court of Justice. Between two countries अगर कोई केस है जिसको रिजॉल्व करना है by the means of law, for that International Court of Justice is there. Okay, because like Supreme Court works in India only, High Courts work in the state of any India. International Court of Justice works in for solving the matters between two or more countries or at international level. तो क्वेश्चन है कि इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जजेस, इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस के जजेस को कौन इलेक्ट करता है? whether they are elected by General Assembly, Secretariat, Trusteeship Council or Security Council. So let us have a look. B, C, different answers. This question I think is difficult. Samar has answered correctly, Vineet has answered correctly. Everyone else, try to provide your answer. Who elects the judges of International Court of Justice? Okay. So the right answer here is the judges of International Court of Justice are mainly elected by the General Assembly of United Nations. याद रखेंगे, बहुत important question है. When we study about the functions and works of General Assembly in the international organizations, वहाँ पे आप study करोगे that General Assembly is responsible for electing the judges of International Court of Justice. So the right answer here is General Assembly. Okay. Okay, so General Assembly is correct. Vineet was first this time. Yes, Manasmita. Okay. Vineet was first this time. Okay. Next is question number 9. UN Day, United Nations Day. When do we celebrate UN Day? When do we celebrate UN or what we call United Nations Day? 24th of October, everyone. When do we celebrate it? This is almost correct of everyone. First answer here is given by just one. Good, just one. Second, Vineet. Hartesh, B is incorrect. Aditya is correct. Rayan incorrect. Vineet, Amita, Adarsh correct. Kavna correct. Takshil incorrect. Manasmita correct. Arun correct. Yeah, just one. You are first. Viren, B is not the answer. Right answer hoga C. Okay, UN Day. When do we celebrate UN Day? United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th of October every year. Okay, when do we celebrate UN Day? United Nations Day. Why do we celebrate United Nations Day? Because on that very day, United Nations was established in the year of 1945. तो ये भी आप लोग लिख सकते हैं. United Nations was established on United Nations was established on 24th October 1945. That's why every year on 24th October we celebrate United Nations Day or UN Day. Clear to everyone? This is a very important question. Yes, write it down. Summer, quickly. Okay. Not 26th October, just one. 24th of October. Next is question number 10. How many principal organs are there in United Nations? United Nations में कितने principal organs हैं? How many principal organs are there in United Nations? Yes, Shubhanjali. A. Everyone is answering 5. No. 3. 6. Vineet, A is incorrect. First answer is given by Adarsh. The first correct answer is given by Adarsh. That Rayan. Then Jaswant. Okay. Aradhya. A is not the right answer for here. Okay. How many principal organs are there in United Nations, Aradhya? In United Nations, 6 principal organs are there. Okay. Total number of principal organs in United Nations are 6. What are the principal organs of United Nations? क्यों हम कह रहे हैं यूनाइटेड नेशन के प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गन्स? व्हाट आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली द प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशन? सो दे जनरली जो मेन ऑर्गन्स होते हैं यूनाइटेड नेशंस के विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ यूनाइटेड नेशंस एंड फॉर all the work that has been happening, they are called as the principal organs. So you can write down what are the principal organs. The first and foremost is General Assembly. What is the first principal organ? The first principal organ of United Nations we have is General Assembly. Okay. The second principal organ is Secretariat. First is General Assembly. The second principal organ is Secretariat. Then we have Security Council. Third, you will write down Security Council. Okay. After Security Council, fourth we have Economic and Social Council. Fourth we have is Economic and Social Council. ओके नेक्स्ट जिसके बारे में अभी हमने एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, द इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल ऑर्गन वी हैव इज इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस. International Court of Justice, is it visible? Yes, justice is not visible. So these are the 5 principal organs among 6. First, General Assembly, Secretariat, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice, and next write down Trusteeship Council. इतने हमको नेम याद रखने हैं. Next is Trusteeship Council. So these are the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. Yes, just one. Just General Assembly, Secretariat, Secretary Council, International Court of Justice, Economic and Social Council, and a Trusteeship Council. My voice is not clear. Just a minute, let me check. Okay, now is it fine? Now clear, everyone? Okay, now the voice is clear for everyone. What happened to the screen? Just a minute. Just a minute, everyone, okay? Okay, now we have it back. Now the voice is clear for everyone. Yes, screen black. Now that is clear, the voice and everything. Okay. Yes, so this was the question number 10 dealing with the principal organs of United Nations. Next is question number 11. Gravitational pull of the earth is called. These are from Shape and Earth of Gravitation. Shape and Gravitation of Earth. The next few questions we have are from Shape and Gravitation of Earth. Okay. A, very good. The first answer we have to keep a track. So first answer was by Ankit. Ankit answered first this time. A is the correct answer. Sarita, Harsh, Jaswant, Samar. D is not the correct answer, Samar. Okay. A is the correct answer here. Yes, Aradhya, A is correct. Shubhanjali, A is the correct answer. Gravitational pull of Earth is called as gravity. Okay. Gravitational pull of Earth is referred to as gravity. Again, a very important question. Quickly, we will go for question number 12. Due to the presence of gravitational force on the Earth, it attracts everything towards itself, it repels everything away from itself, both or none of these. What happens due to the gravitational force of the Earth, or what we call as gravity? What happens due to gravity, or what happens due to gravitational force of Earth? No, Vineet. Actually, in my copy, it was showing in my chat, it was showing Ankit was first. Okay. You are first now. Let me have a look. Yes, you are first now. Okay. So, due to presence of gravitational force, what happened? It attracts everything towards itself. It repels everything away from itself. Everyone has answered correctly. Viren, Kavna, Khushi, Harsh, Samar, Amita, Jaswant, correct. Ankit, Atharv, Mokshangna, Radhya, Manasmita. C is not the correct answer. Okay. You are first. Aditya, Srishti, Shubhanjali, Sarita, everyone is correct here. What does the gravitational force do? The presence of gravitational force attracts everything towards itself. Okay, for those of you जिनको नहीं पता है, if you will throw a ball, anything you will throw, क्या होगा? It will fall on the ground. That happens due to gravitational force. Gravitational force क्या करता है? It attracts everything towards itself. Okay, it attracts everything towards itself. That's why जब आप कोई चीज drop करते हो, so it falls on the floor. But what happens when you drop something in the space? It starts flying, it floats in the air because space do not have gravitational force. Write down this point. Space do not have gravitational force. We are able to stand, we are able to walk due to gravitational force. Okay, and space do not have gravity, or what we call gravitational force. That's why the things and everything floats in the space. Okay, if you'll ever see a picture of an astronaut, most probably you'll see them flying in the space because space does not have gravity. Clear to everyone? Okay, yes, write down everyone. Okay, you are Yo-Yo Gamer. Now you have changed the name. Okay, Harsh. Harsh, the RIMC boy. Okay, Harsh, you are preparing for RIMC. Okay. Next, we'll go for question number 13. Question number 13. The subsystem component of Earth that contains all solid, liquid and gaseous water of the Earth. Okay, a component or the subsystem of the Earth, यहाँ पे slash होगा. A component or subsystem of Earth that contains all solid, liquid and gaseous water, that is hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere or atmosphere. 13th A. This time Jaswant answered first. Then Ankit, B is not correct. Vineet, B is not correct. Oh, very quickly everyone is answering. Hartesh, B is not correct. Srishti is correct. Khushi is correct. Adarsh is incorrect. Harsh incorrect. Shubhanjali correct. Ankit incorrect. Amita incorrect. Aditya is correct. Rayan incorrect. Deepti incorrect. Then Atharva correct. Ankit correct. Deepti correct now. Sarita correct. Very good. The subsystem of Earth. How many subsystems are there in the Earth? Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So you can say there are 4 subsystems. Okay, there are 4 subsystems. Hydrosphere, all the water that is present in Earth. Whether the water is in the form of rivers, the water is in the form of the bottled water or ice or water vapors or rain, any form of water, all of that comes under hydrosphere. कोई भी form होगा water का, that comes under hydrosphere. What is biosphere, everyone? Biosphere includes the living component of the earth. What is biosphere? Biosphere includes the living component. You, me, plants, trees, microorganisms, all of us. We are all part of biosphere. What is lithosphere? Land. Okay. Oftentimes हम कहते हैं terrestrial habitat. So land or terrestrial habitat is a part of lithosphere. And what is atmosphere? All the gases. We say the envelope of gases surrounding our earth is called atmosphere. So all the gases that are there, we call them atmosphere. Okay, clear to everyone? Okay, next we have question number 14. How many? I just told the answer. Let's see who answers first. How many subsystems or component are there in the earth? Very quickly. 14th, D. Jaswant answered first. Very quickly, everyone answer. Hartej is correct. Aditya, no. Priyanka, no. Adarsh, no. I just told the answer in the explanation of previous question. क्या correct answer होगा? Correct Khushi, Mokshangna, Shubhanjali, Kavna, Samar, very good. Rayan, correct. Srushti, correct. Viren, correct. Atharv, Sarita, correct. Akshar, Amita, Harsh, very good. Correct. Good evening. Nob the pro in study. What's your name? Aradhya, correct. Very good. Okay. Aradhya, little girl, correct. How many subsystems are there in the earth? 4 subsystems. अभी हमने discuss किया lithosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, and we have atmosphere. So there are 4 subsystems. Question number 15. All the air present on the earth system is included under which component? Hydrosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere. Again, I have explained the question already. Question number 15. Quickly. Harsh. Okay, Harsh. For the previous question, Jaswant, you answered first. Okay. For this question also, this question, Akarsh answered first, and second is Jaswant. D. Everyone is correct here. No, Deepti. A is not correct. Mokshangna is correct. Ankit, A correct nahi hai. Everyone else is correct here. Viren, A is not the correct answer. Have a look, everyone. All the air that is present in the earth. Air से हमारा क्या meaning है? Air is composed of gases. So all the gaseous state of the earth forms what? It forms atmosphere. Okay? Gaseous state is atmosphere. So what will be the right answer? The right answer is your option D, atmosphere. Clear to everyone? Next question is question number 16. Historical monuments से question है. We have a chapter of historical monuments in the syllabus of Sainik school entrance exam. So we have this question of historical monuments. Okay, Tower of Pisa is built in, or where is Tower of Pisa located? Dubai, Italy, Brazil, or France? Quickly. Question number 16. Tower of Pisa. B. Very good. Vineet. Everyone is correct here. This is correct. Good. Viren, Vineet, Hartej, Aniket, Rayan, Harsh, the RIMC boy. It is not correct. Okay. B is the correct answer. So everyone, like bhi karenge session ko. There are 34 of you with just 21 likes. So kindly like this session if you find it useful. It helps the channel grow. Okay. So the question is Tower of Pisa. If you know the syllabus very thoroughly, तो आपको कहाँ क्या मिलेगा? You will find a topic. I think the 19th topic it is. It is known by the name of historical monuments. It is known by the name of historical monuments. From there only the question is, बहुत अच्छे से memorize करेंगे. Where is Tower of Pisa located? Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. Instead of Pisa, the spelling is usually P-I-S-A. So Tower of Pisa, the spelling mistake is there. The Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. So जिन का आंसर इनकरेक्ट था, kindly corrected. The Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. Correct Aradhya, Akarsh, Atharv, C is not the answer. Mokshangna is correct. Viren, Manasmita, yes, B is the correct answer. Okay. Tower of Pisa is located in Italy. Question number 17. Lotus Temple is located in Delhi, Agra, Hyderabad, Lucknow. Once again, the same topic. Lotus Temple, very famous monument of India. Yes, everyone is providing the answers. B. Why B? No, A is the correct answer. Yes, Kavna, Srishti, Hartej, Vineet, Ankit, Aditya, Priyanka, Mokshangna. B is not correct. Nob, Harsh, A is correct. Nob to pro and study. Okay, A. Okay, Jyoti Rathore, Akarsh, Sarita, everyone. A is correct. Lotus Temple is located in Delhi. Where is Lotus Temple located? Delhi. Question number 18. Victoria Memorial. This is again a very simple question. Everyone should know this. Historical monuments of India. Victoria Memorial is located in Kolkata, West Bengal, Hampi, Karnataka, Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, or Amritsar, Punjab. Go ahead quickly. 18th A, very good. Hartej is first this time. Mokshangna, correct. Then we have Aniket, Jaswant, correct. Shubhanjali, Jyoti, Vineet, correct. Very good. Harsh, Viren, Amita, Hartej, Mokshangna, yes, correct. Ankit, correct. Akarsh, Atharva, correct. Summer, B is not the correct answer. Manasmita, A is correct. Sarita, A is correct. Aradhya, little girl, A is correct here. Where is Victoria Memorial located? Victoria Memorial is located in Kolkata, West Bengal. Okay, the very famous monument of Kolkata, Victoria Memorial. Question number 19. Again, Golden Temple is located in. Very simple yet again. Where is Golden Temple located? No Harsh, video is not stuck. एक बार आप वीडियो को क्लोज करके फिर से ओपन करो. Just close the video once and open it again. Video is not stuck. A, very good. Everyone is correct here. Aditya, Kavna, Amita, Ankit, good. Everyone is correct. Where is Golden Temple located? Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. Okay. ये भी question important है. This question seems like simple, but it is important. It can be asked. So, Golden Temple is located in Amritsar, Punjab. Question number 20. Hawa Mahal was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, or Quli Qutub Shah. Who built Hawa Mahal? That is the question. Hawa Mahal. This question is a little tough. Hawa Mahal was built by whom? C. No. C is not the right answer. B. Everyone knows this. Okay, good. So Jaswant is correct here. Aradhya, A is not the right answer for question number 20. If you have answered. Okay. Then Ankit is correct. Jaswant is correct. Jyoti is also correct. Then we have Kavna, A is not correct. Amita, C is not correct. Right answer होगा यहाँ पे B. Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh was the person who built up हवा महल. ओके, हवा महल किसने बनवाया था? हवा महल महाराजा सवाई प्रताप सिंह ने बनवाया था. जिनको नहीं पता था, काइंडली राइट इट डाउन. हवा महल was built up on the orders of, or it was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh. Next question that can be there from this is, where is Hawa Mahal located? So Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur. ये भी याद रखना है. Hawa Mahal is located in Jaipur. Okay. Question number 21. Khajuraho group of monument site is composed of how many temples? 90, 85, 100 and 620. Okay. Khajuraho group of monuments is site composed of how many temples? 20 temples, 85 temples, 106 temples, or 20 temples? B. Very good, Jaswant. You have thoroughly studied everything. Good. Because this question was little difficult. Srishti is also correct here. Very good, Srishti. Khushi is also correct. Aradhya is also correct. Priyanka, good. 2120. No. 2120, so there is no option. How many temples are there in the Khajuraho group of monuments? Yes, B is the correct answer. Okay. The Khajuraho group of monuments is a group of 85 temples. Total temples कितने हैं in the Khajuraho group of monuments? The total number of temples that are there are 85. Okay. So याद रखेंगे, the right answer is 85. The Khajuraho group of temples is consist of 85 temples. Question number 22. Nalanda University is located in the state of Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Again, an important question. Nalanda University is located in which state? Bihar, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, or Tamil Nadu? 21B. Odisha. No, Nalanda University is not in Odisha. Question 22. Yes, A is the right answer. Good, Jaswant, Ankit, Kavna. Hartesh, C is incorrect. A is the right answer here. Khushi is correct. Priyanka, no. A is correct. Yes, correct. Sarita, Aradhya, Manasmita. B is incorrect. Ankit, Atharva, Sarita. Then Priyanka. Very good. A is the correct answer. Okay. Where is Nalanda University located? Nalanda University is located in the state of Bihar. Oftentimes question आता है by which religion? In the earlier times, nowadays not. In the earlier times when it was built, by which religion it was associated? So mainly Nalanda University was associated with Buddhist culture. Okay, it was mainly associated with Buddhist culture. Nalanda University in Bihar. Question number 23. These are now the questions from non-renewable resources. Okay, these are the questions from non-renewable resources. The most clean and non-toxic fossil fuel among the following: natural gas, petroleum, coal, all of these. The most clean and non-toxic fossil fuel, yes, Kanika. Shubhanjali, C is incorrect. Ankit is correct. Kavna is correct. Manasmita is correct. No Shahid, I am not ignoring you. Jaswant is correct. Srushti is correct. Harti is incorrect. Amita correct. Adarsh incorrect. Aditya is correct. Ankit is correct. Then Aradhya is correct. Harshda, IMC boy correct. Viren correct. Akarsh, Priyanka, Jyoti incorrect. Deepti, answer check karo fir se. It's incorrect. Khushi is correct. Sarita is correct. Ankit, Vineet, Atharva and Kanika. Kanika, sorry. Yes, Kanika is correct. Shahid is correct. Mokshangna is correct. Very good. Okay. So, the most clean and non-toxic fossil fuel among all the fossil fuels, the most clean and non-toxic fossil fuel is natural gas. What are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are the dead remains of plants and animals which were buried over 200 million ago and now are present to us in the form of fuels. We call them fossil fuels. Mainly there are three types of fossil fuels: coal, petroleum and natural gas. Three types of fossil fuels कौन से हैं? Coal, petroleum and natural gas. Okay, now among all the three fossil fuel, why do we call natural gas is clean and non-toxic? Because natural gas causes least pollution. Okay, natural gas causes least amount of pollution. That's why we say that natural gas is the most clean and non-toxic fossil fuel. ये reason है that government is also initiating कि public transports के लिए आप more of natural gas, CNG, more ethanol use करो because it causes less amount of pollution and it is not toxic. So the right answer is natural gas. Question number 24. Coal is an example of renewable, non-renewable, human or potential resource. Quickly. Coal is an example of renewable, non-renewable, potential resource. Okay, Arman. It's okay, Arman. B. Very good. Everyone's correct here. Jaswant answer correctly first. B is the right answer here. Correct. Aradhya, Ankit, Samar, Harsh, Jyoti, Amit, Sarita, sorry, Kanika, Viren, Khushi, Kavna, Arman, very good. Okay, B is the correct answer here. Coal is an example of non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource क्या होते हैं? Which are present in a limited amount. The resources which are present in a limited amount, and if we overuse them, what will happen? Over the time they will get exhausted. So non-renewable resource को ही हम क्या कहते हैं? They are also called as exhaustible resources. We often call them exhaustible resources. Okay, so if in case पेपर में आपको इंस्टेड ऑफ नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज अगर लिखा होता है exhaustible resources or non renewable energy, even then the answer would be exhaustible only. Okay, because exhaustible and non renewable both are same. Because they get exhausted, that's why we call them exhaustible. So the right answer is option B, non renewable. Along with coal, पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस, ये भी याद रखेंगे. पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस, दे आर ऑल्सो नॉन रिन्यूएबल और व्हाट यू कॉल exhaustible. Okay, next is question number 25. Solar and wind energy are also referred to as renewable, inexhaustible, Non-renewable or both A and B? Solar energy and wind energy, what do we call them? B. Okay, question, just put up the question number 25th. A, not A is incorrect. First correct answer is given by Kavna. Good, Kavna. Then Viren, Atharv have given correct. Yes, Viren, now correct your answer is. Okay, so this question I believe is a little confusing. Ankit, D is correct answer. Harsh, Aradhya, D is the correct answer. Solar energy and wind energy. Solar energy and wind energy, they are also referred to as renewable. These resources are present in an unlimited amount. Okay, ये resources energy के they are present in a unlimited amount. तो हम क्या कहेंगे? The resources of energy which are present in an unlimited amount, we call them renewable. Why do we call them renewable? Because they get renewed. That's why we call them renewable resources. Okay, that's why we call them renewable resources. Another name we have for renewable resources is inexhaustible. Okay, those which do not get exhausted, renewable or inexhaustible. That is why right answer क्या होगा आपका? Both A and B. Okay, so the right answer is D. Both A and B, renewable or inexhaustible. Quite confusing question. Question number 26. Which one among the following is not a fossil fuel? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, uranium. Go ahead. Which one among the following is not a fossil fuel? D. Very good. Everyone is correct here. Hartesh, Jaswant, Manasmita, Ankit, Kavna, Deepti, Jyoti, Srishti, Harsh, Ayush, Aditya, Shahid, Mokshangna, Aradhya. C is not the right answer here. Okay. Ankit, Atharva, Priyanka, Kanika and Shahid. Correct answer. Have a look, Aradhya and everyone who have confusion. Fossil fuels are of three types. Petroleum is a fossil fuel, coal is a fossil fuel, and natural gas is a fossil fuel. Which one is not a fossil fuel? Uranium is not a fossil fuel. Uranium is a radioactive element. Okay, in higher classes you will study what are elements and tab aap padhoge uranium is a radioactive element. So uranium in general हम याद रखेंगे, ये याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. इतना याद रखेंगे that uranium is not an example of fossil fuel. So our answer is uranium. Okay. Question number 27. What is the meaning of 3R? Lower classes say, earlier age say, we have been taught in the school to follow 3R rule. What is the meaning of 3R? Reduce, reuse, recycle, regenerate, reduce and recycle. Both of these or none of these. क्या आंसर होगा? Quickly, go ahead. B. No, B is not the answer. Summer, yes, A, correct. Summer, Mokshangna, Viren, Shahid, Akash, Takshil, Harsh. Very good. A is the correct answer here. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Just a minute. Okay, yes. So we are back now. A is the right answer. Correct. What is the meaning of 3R? 3R का meaning है reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, so write it down. 3R rule we follow to reduce pollution. So you should reduce plastic, you should reuse plastic, you should recycle plastic. Okay, by following 3R rule we can reduce pollution. Question number 28. Compressed natural gas is stored under high pressure, normal pressure, low pressure or none of these. How do we store natural gas, compressed natural gas? Okay, C, low pressure, 28 question. No, just one. We do not store natural gas under high pressure. We at low pressure, sorry. Yes, correct. Very good. Deepti, normal pressure is not correct. Viren, Harsh, Kavna, then Aniket is correct here. Good. Atharv is also correct. Very good. Okay, so let's have a look. Compressed natural gas. सबसे पहले तो एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको यही मिला है. In the exam, the question might be, what do you mean by CNG? तो याद रखेंगे, CNG stands for compressed natural gas. Okay, CNG stands for compressed natural gas. CNG is again a kind of fossil fuel. Same way fossil fuel है, natural gas. When we store natural gas under high pressure, जब आप natural gas को under high pressure store करते हो, you compress it. From compressing comes the name compress. जब आप उसको compress करते हो, you store it under high pressure. That is when we call it compressed natural gas. Okay, that is when we call it compressed natural gas. Oftentimes, one more question is asked: how do we transport CNG? Okay, transport of CNG is done through pipelines. How do you transport CNG? CNG is transported by the means of pipeline. So compressed natural gas, CNG, from this question you got 3 points. CNG is compressed natural gas, it is stored under high pressure. The storage form of natural gas is CNG and it is transported through pipelines. So ये 4 points बहुत importantly याद रखने हैं. Next is question number 29. Which one among the following is a famous Indian mountaineer? Okay. This is now the question from mountain terrain. The topic we have mountain terrain and lifestyle from there. Who among the following is a famous Indian mountaineer? Edmund Hillary, Tenzing Sherpa, George Everest, Bachendri Pal. Everyone in class 5th would have studied this. I know this. You have a topic in EVS. But for everyone, video is blur. Let me know. D, very good. Yes, correct. D is the right answer. Who among the following is a famous Indian mountaineer? Bachendri Pal. Okay. In class 5th, EVS, NCERT, CBSE book, you found the name Bachendri Pal. And this is also a very important question. Famous Indian mountaineer, Bachendri Pal. Next we have, who discovered that Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world? Or simply the question can be, who found or who discovered the Mount Everest? Mount Everest किसने discover किया था? This you have to tell. Edmund Hillary, Tenzing Sherpa, Bachendri Pal or Sir George Everest? Yes, okay. No, Edmund Hillary didn't discover it. No, Abhinav, no, you are getting it wrong a little here, okay? Edmund Hillary did not discover Mount Everest. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Sherpa were the first people to climb Mount Everest, okay? They were the first people to climb Mount Everest. Question क्या कह रहा है? Question कह रहा है, who was the person who first time discovered Mount Everest? Okay, discovering it and climbing it for the first time is different. So discover किसने किया था? It was discovered by Sir George Everest. On the name of Sir George Everest, in the honor, we have given them the name Mount Everest. Mount Everest जो name है, that is on the name of Sir George Everest. So Edmund Hillary, Tenzing Sherpa, first people to climb the Mount Everest, and first person to discover the Mount Everest is Sir George Everest. Clear to everyone? Okay, this question was important and a little tricky as well. So write down the question in the short form and let me know. The clear, any difficulty in question number 30? D is the right answer, yes. Okay, it's okay, Heman. Okay, next is question number 31. What is the height of Mount Everest? ये भी आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया है. I know this. What is the height of Mount Everest? Yes, quickly. A. Very good. Correct. Viren. Abhinav, Hartej, everyone is correct and answering very quickly. Very good. A is the correct answer. Correct. Yes. Good. Abhinav, Atharv, Kanika, Aradhna, Harsh, Shahid. D is not correct. Sunita, Anil. A is the correct answer. What is the height of Mount Everest? The height of Mount Everest is nearly 8848 meters. या कभी कभी आपको पेपर में मिलेगा 8850 meters. Okay, so nearly अगर हम देखेंगे तो it is 8850 meters. To be precise, 8848 meters is the height of Mount Everest. The first people to climb the Mount Everest, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Sherpa. Who discovered Mount Everest? Sir George Everest. इतनी चीजें याद रखनी है. Okay, associated with the Mount Everest. Himalayas are the home to many peaks, glaciers, rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, or all of these. Himalayas are the homes to. Himalaya किसको जगह देते हैं? What are Himalaya? Himalayas are the mountain range. Okay, not the cosmetic brand. Himalayas are the mountain range here we are talking about. Himalayas gives home to peaks, glaciers, rivers, or all of these. 32D, Jaswant answered correctly here. Viren correct, Aditya correct, Kavna correct, Abhinav correct, very good. Shaurya correct, Atharva correct, Vineet correct, then Kanika is also correct, Anil is also correct, Shaurya, very good. Aniket, good. D. Okay, Himalayas are the home to all of them. Himalayas are the home to many peaks. Himalayas are the homes to many glaciers and to rivers such as Ganga and Yamuna. Ganga and Yamuna के लिए भी question आता है. From where does Ganga originates? Ganga originates from Gangotri. लिख लीजिए because these questions come. Yamunotri. Okay, Ganga from Gangotri, Yamuna from Yamunotri. Where do these rivers originate from? Himalaya, to be more specific in Himalayas, Gangotri and Yamunotri. Question number 33. A landform with natural elevations on the earth is called river, plain, mountain or island. A landform that has natural elevation. Elevation का क्या meaning होता है? This is your plain landform. अगर कोई ऐसा barrier develop हो गया थोड़ा सा तो it's elevated. Okay, that this is called elevation. What do we call it? We will call it elevation. What will be the answer? Put up the question number and answer. 32D, 32D, 33C, correct. Amit, Heman, Viren, B is not the right answer. C is the correct answer. Aradhana, not B. Abhinav, not B. C, yes, Viren. Deepti is correct. Anil is correct. Ankit is correct. Viren, Atharv, Shaurya, Harsh, very good. Summer, D is not the correct answer. Kavna is correct. Good. Heman, you are also correct. Shahid is also correct. Good. A landform which is formed by natural elevation of earth. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call such a landform mountain. Rivers contain water. Plain, like this. Islands are not a natural elevation on land. They are, you can say, present in between the oceans or the sea. Mountains are like this, a natural elevation. Okay, so natural elevation on the land is mountain. That is the definition of mountain only. Question number 34. Which of the following is the highest gallantry award in India? Given for bravery, not in the face of enemy. The highest gallantry award in India. Which one of the following is highest gallantry award? What are gallantry awards? The awards given in the defense. Okay, okay, everyone is providing the answers also. Highest gallantry award. Go ahead quickly. A. Ashok Chakra. How come Ashok Chakra is the Gallantry award? Yes? Everyone is answering Ashok Chakra. How is Ashok Chakra the right answer here? No, Viren has answered C. Mahavir Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, Kirti Chakra. Okay. C now answer everyone is giving. Aradhya is also saying A. Ankit is saying E. Okay. So which of the following is highest gallantry award given for bravery not in the face of enemy? अशोक चक्र, कीर्ति चक्र, महावीर चक्र, शौर्य चक्र. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है? सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपर्ली अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए. क्वेश्चन कह रहा है that which one among the following, जो फोर ऑप्शंस आपको प्रोवाइडेड हैं उसमें से कौन सा हाईएस्ट गैलेंट्री अवार्ड है? व्हाट आर गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स? गैलेंट्री अवार्ड्स आर दोज अवार्ड्स व्हिच आर गिवन टू द आर्मी, नेवी और डिफेंस पर्सनल्स फॉर देयर very much contribution and for their national bravery, उसके लिए ये दिए जाते हैं. ठीक है. So when we say तो on a broader sense the highest gallantry awards always is Paramveer Chakra. Okay, the highest gallantry award always is Paramveer Chakra, but I think that's this question में Paramveer Chakra है नहीं, so there should be Paramveer Chakra. Paramveer Chakra is the highest gallantry award. So one of the options is incorrect here. आप एक ई ऑप्शन ऐड कर लो and correct it. I will also correct the question. The right answer would be Paramveer Chakra. Okay, so right answer would be Paramveer Chakra. This question was incorrect. एक option इसमें होना चाहिए था Paramveer Chakra. So clear to everyone. अपने अपने options सभी connect कर लीजिए. Okay, Samar is from defense. Okay, so Paramveer Chakra would be the highest gallantry award in India. Okay. Next is question number 35. Dronacharya award is associated with eminent surgeon, famous artist, sports coaches or expert engineer. This is the topic of sports and games. Dronacharya award is associated with eminent surgeon, famous artist, sports coaches or expert engineers. Question number 35. C. Very good, Jaswant. Very quick. Aniket is correct. Himan is correct. Amita is correct here. Harsh, Jaswant, Kavna. Very good. Aditya, Mokshangna, Harsh, Deepti. Correct. Shubhanjali correct. Then Abhinav is also correct. Aradhna is also correct. Kanika is also correct. Good. Viren is also correct. Very good. Everyone is correct here. Atharv is also correct. The right answer is sports coaches. The only award given to the sports coaches for in the sports, the only award given to the sports coaches is Dronacharya award. ठीक है, it is given to the Dronacharya award. Dronacharya was a guru, so again on the name of his, Dronacharya award is given to the sports coaches in India. Next is the planet nearest to the sun is Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury. The planet nearest to the sun is, this is from the planets and solar system. This is additional for Rashtriya military schools. For them, planets nearest to the sun, quickly. Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. D, very good. 36. Jaswant, good. Aniket, very quickly answers. I am unable to even read the comments. इतने जल्दी answers जा रहे हैं. Okay, D. Yes, Savita, C is not the right answer. Right answer होगा D. Aradhya, D. Okay. Yes, everyone knows this question. The right answer is D. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Mercury is the nearest to the sun. So from sun, we have the order Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So nearest planet is Mercury and farthest planet from the sun is Neptune. इतना याद रखेंगे. Next is question number 37. That planet lies in the outermost orbit of the solar system. Which planet lies in the outermost orbit of the solar system? अभी हमने डिस्कस किया Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Go ahead. Right now only we have discussed this. Very good. 37. B. Correct. D is not the right answer, Deepthi. Abhinav is correct. Aradhana is correct. Vired, no, not D. Amita is correct here. Hartez is correct. The right answer is B. Which planet lies in the outermost orbit of the solar system? Neptune. The last planet of the solar system lies in the outermost orbit of the solar system. So correct answer is Neptune. Next is question number 38. Which among the following is largest living bird on the earth? Emu, ostrich, albatross, Siberian crane. The largest living bird. Very good. Srishti, Kavna, Shubhanjali, Kanika, Atharva. Very good. Jaswant, Khushi, Shaurya, Mokshangna, Deepti, Abhinav, Aradhna, Amita. Very good, everyone. Which one is the largest living bird? Ostrich. Which word is the largest living bird? Ostrich is the largest living bird on the earth. Similarly, one more question comes. थोड़ा higher level का है, but someone if is preparing for RIMC, for you people. Largest single cell. In the animal kingdom, the largest single cell is the egg of an ostrich. For anyone who is preparing for RIMC, largest single cell is the egg of an ostrich. What are cells? Cells are the basic units of the body जो हमारी body में present होते हैं. Structural and functional unit of the body, that cell we are talking about. So largest single cell is egg of an ostrich, and largest living bird is also ostrich. Question number 39. Which states host the annual Suraj Kund craft fairs? Yes, annual Suraj Kund craft fair, very famous craft fair. कहाँ पे होता है? हिमाचल प्रदेश, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश, राजस्थान. Who was first? I was unable to track it. We read this time. Who was first? Okay. So go ahead. Suraj Kund craft fair. Commonly we call it Suraj Kund Mela. B is not the right answer. No, D also not right answer. Viren has answered correctly. Good, Viren. Viren has answered first and correct this time. Okay. Everyone else, provide your answers. Suraj Kund fair, or we call Suraj Kund Mela, is a very famous fair that happens annually. कहाँ पे होता है? In the state of Haryana. Okay. Suraj Kund Mela. क्राफ्ट फेयर का नाम तो नहीं आता है. सूरज कुंड मेला आपको याद रहेगा. इट हैपेंस इन हरियाणा. सो सूरज कुंड. ओके. Next is question number 40. Which state hosts? Okay, is this question repeated? Yes, this question is repeated. The answer is Haryana only. We just solved. Then blank is the language spoken in Kerala. Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Konkani. Which languages do we speak in Kerala? Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. Question number 41. Which language is correct? Good. Okay, the right answer here is Malayalam. Malayalam is the language spoken in the state of Kerala. Yes, very good, correct. No, Atharv, not Kannada. The right answer is Malayalam. Which language is spoken in the state of Kerala? The language spoken is Malayalam. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Yes, B. Question number Next, question number 42. When we hit school bell, what is produced? A very basic question. When we hit the school bell, what is produced? Sound, light, fire, or storm? What happens when you hit a school bell? Okay, Abhinav is from Kerala. So Abhinav must be knowing that we speak Malayalam in Kerala. Yes, very good. Very simple question yet again. Ankit, Viren, Hartej, Aditya, Aradhna, Heman, Naveen, Mokshangna, Kanika. Correct, very good. What happens when you hit a school bell? When you hit a school bell, sound is produced. What happens? Yes, Atharva, Ankit, Abhinav. Correct. When you hit a school bell, sound is produced. What happens when you hit a school bell? Sound is produced. Question number 43. The space research and missions of India are looked after by ISRO, DRDO, BARC, or all of these. Who looks after the space and research missions of India? ISRO, DRDO, BARC, or all of these? Okay, this time Jaswant A, very good, correct. ISRO, not ISRI Rayan. ISRO look after the, very good, correct. Everyone is correct here. This answer everyone knows. Who looks after the space and research missions of India? The space and research missions of India are looked after by ISRO. ISRO stands for Indian Space and Research Organization. What does ISRO stands for? ISRO stands for Indian Space and Research Organization. Okay, so the right answer is ISRO. Good, everyone. Yes, you didn't know answer for this, Shubhanjali, write down. The space research and missions of India are looked after by ISRO. Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan, all of them are looked after by ISRO. Okay. Vikram Sarabhai. Okay, yes. Good. Next is question number 44. Which of the following is associated with technology and research in defense? Defense background se question hai. Quickly, some of you were saying I am from defense. So quick answers. Technology and research of defense. Who is responsible for the technology and defense of research? And research of defense. Question number 44. C. No, not BARC. Bhabha Atomic Research Center is not responsible for this. No, Kavna. No. A lot of you are answering this incorrectly. No, Heman. Aradhna, B is correct. Abhinav is correct. Very good. Kavna is correct. No, Atharva. C is not the right answer. Okay. So this question needs a little explanation. Dekhiye. What is the question saying? Which of the following organization is associated with technology and research of defense in India? इंडिया में जो रिसर्च और टेक्नोलॉजी है फॉर द डिफेंस जो हम डेवलप करते हैं, द मिसाइल्स, the aircraft carriers, all of them. Who is responsible for the research of that? The answer is DRDO. Write down the full form of DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, that is DRDO. Then we have BARC. BARC stands for Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Both of them are different. Okay, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. जो nuclear research है and associated with them, that happens in BARC. So भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं भाभा अनुसंधान, DRDO, डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इसरो, इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, नाउ क्लियर? कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, बिकॉज इन डिफेंस दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी देयर. आंसर शुड बी, यू शुड मार्क इज DRDO. ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन एसोसिएटेड विद डिफेंस, यहाँ पे गिवन नहीं है, बट यू कैन ऐड इज the next question we will add over here. An add-on question is that add-on question we have here is, just a minute, which among the following is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Which one among the following is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? Go ahead. It's okay, Atharu. Defense Research Organization. When will class end? We have 75 questions, Samar. Okay. So once 75 questions were done, class will end. Which one among the following is India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? A. INS Vikrant. INS Vikramaditya. INS Virat or INS Vishal. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Which one is it? This is a very important question. Go ahead. INS Vikrant, INS Vikramaditya, INS Virat or INS Vishal. Yes, some of you are also providing also the answer. Okay, yes, INS Vikrant. You don't know Athar. Okay, INS Vikrant, Vikramaditya, Vikrant. A lot of confusion between INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. Okay. So the right answer here is, everyone write it down. This is very important question. Right answer है यहाँ पे, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier was INS Vikrant. Okay, this was India's first indigenous aircraft carrier. Okay, INS Vikrant. Write it. This is very important. First indigenous aircraft carrier is INS Vikrant. Good evening, Sneha. A. INS Vikrant. When will the class end, Srishti? We have 75 questions. Once 75 questions will end, the class will end. Okay. So INS Vikrant यहाँ पे याद रखेंगे. Next is question number 45. Which of the following region is specially famous for its apple? Which of the following regions of India is specially famous for its apple? Kashmir, Rajasthan, Kerala or Delhi? Which region is famous? 45B. Rajasthan. How come Rajasthan is famous for apples, Aradhya? Anjani is correct. Very good. Jaswant, Amita, Vineet, Aradhya, Viren, Dharam. Then we have Aditya. Very good. Correct. Correct. Kavna. Correct. Heman. Correct. Samar. Vineet. Correct. We are doing GK questions here. Okay, Sneha. So you can answer the questions. Correct. Atharva, Abhinav. Very good. Correct here. Which of the following regions is famous for its apple? The apples of Kashmir. Kashmir apples are very famous. Kashmir have a lot of gardens of apple trees. So apples from Kashmir are famous. The right answer is Kashmir. Question number 46. Melting from glaciers may cause flood, global warming, drought or earthquake. From the topic of natural disasters, we have the question. Okay, melting from glaciers may cause flood, global warming, drought or earthquake. What does melting of glaciers causes? Okay, summer. A. So A is the correct answer. Very good. Yes, Aradhya, Harsh, then Atharva, Jaswant, Vineet, Abhinav. Very good. A is the correct answer. Correct, Viren? A is the correct answer. No, Harsh. B is not the correct answer. Question ने क्या पूछा है? Melting from glaciers may cause. That means melting of glaciers will lead to. It might lead to the flood-like situations. It might lead to flood-like situations. Question ने ये नहीं पूछा है what causes melting of glacier. Melting of glacier is caused by global warming, but it may cause flood. Melting of glaciers किससे होती है? It happens due to global warming, but वो क्या cause कर सकती है? It can cause flood. So the right answer is flood. Question number 47. The types of volcanoes include dormant, active, extinct, all of these. Quickly. Yes, flood are the rising sea levels. Correct, Sneha. कौन सी क्लास का है KVS learner? This is for class 6 Sainik school and Rashtriya military school entrance exam. 7th D, all of these. Everyone's correct here. Yes, very good. D, Himan, Samar, Abhinav, Harsh, Vineet, Harsh, Rainbow Army, Kanika. Correct. Very good. Who gives the first answer? Jaswant, everyone answers very quickly that I'm even unable to trace who answered first, okay? So that's why I'm unable to track who is answering first. Types of volcanoes include dormant, active, extinct. Extinct volcanoes which are no longer active, okay? Volcanoes which are no longer active, जो कभी भी burst नहीं होंगे, we call all such volcanoes as extinct volcanoes. Dormant volcanoes which were active a while ago, still now they are in the dormant stage, they are in the sleeping stage. तो अभी for a while they will not burst, but they might burst in the future. They are in the dormant stage or sleeping stage. इनको ही हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them sleeping volcanoes. And then we have active volcanoes which are active and which might burst sometime, okay? Most likely to burst. Burst is not the right term, sorry. Erupt, we call it volcanic eruption, okay? So they are most likely to erupt. There are 3 types of volcanoes: dormant or sleeping volcanoes, active volcanoes which are most likely to erupt, and extinct volcanoes which are no longer active. One more thing is liquid coming out of volcano. What do we call it? Liquid that comes out of volcano. Write your answers, everyone. Liquid coming out of the red color liquid that you see. What do we call it? The liquid coming out of volcano. Yes, what we will call it? Okay, you are Bhuvan. Yes, I had doubt. I was wondering who is Rainbow Army. Now I got to know it's Bhuvan. Yes, magma or lava. Correct. Very good, everyone. Magma and lava is the correct answer. What do we call the liquid coming out of volcano? We either call it molten magma or lava. So, magma or lava is the correct answer. Good. Question number 48. The shaking of earth is called earthquake, tsunami, cyclone or storm. What do we call the shaking of earth? Okay, that's a lot of sports you play within. Very good. Question number 48. A. Very good. Rayan, Dharam, Aradhya, Srushti, Vineet, Aradhna, Himan, Abhinav, Rayan, Shahid. Correct, very good. What is the right answer here? Good. The shaking of earth is called earthquake. Okay, earthquake को ही हम कहते हैं the shaking of earth, or to be more precise, the shaking of tectonic plates of earth. The shaking of tectonic plates of earth. What do we call it? We call it earthquake. Question number 49. Those who study earthquakes are called. What do we call the people who study earthquakes? Geologists, seismologists, astronomers or astrologists. What do we call them? Correct, Harsh. Very good. Correct explanation. 49. B. Very good. B is the right answer. Yes, Viren, Himan, Abhinav, Vineet, Dharam pokes earth. Okay. Bhuvan, correct. Very good. What do we call the people who study earthquake? The people who study earthquake are referred to as seismologists. The term we use for them is seismologist. Who are seismologists? The people who study earthquake. What is seismology? Branch of science dealing with study of earthquake. Okay, seismology, study of earthquake is called as seismology. Study of earthquake is called as seismology. One more thing we study, seismograph. Seismograph is a scientific device. Why do we use it? It is used to measure intensity of earthquake. तो ये 3 points हैं that are associated with earthquakes. Used to measure intensity of earthquake. Okay, so remember 3 things. Seismo word is always used for earthquake. Seismology, seismograph and seismologist. Okay, no, not D. Astrologist is not the right answer. Seismologist atharv. Okay, yes, the measurement of earthquake is done in the Richter scale and the device we use is seismograph. Okay, next is question number 50. The uppermost layer of the earth. What do we call the uppermost layer of the earth? Richter scale we use to measure magnitude, okay, and here we use it as a seismograph. Both of them are used, okay. You are new, Abhinav, yes. So for all the students who are new and getting connected for the first time today, do not forget to subscribe the channel Knowell Bell, press the bell notification next to it, so that whenever we have such a live session, you will be notified first, and also do not forget to like the live session. Okay, if you're finding it useful. A. Very good. A, everyone, is the correct answer. The uppermost layer of the earth is called as crust. What do we call the uppermost layer of the earth is called as crust. Question number 51. The food components needed by our body are called. What do we call the food components that are essentially needed by our body? Ingredients, nutrients, fragments or ornaments. What do we call it? Nutrients, ingredients. Okay. Ankush is correct. Good Ankush. Correct Mokshangna. Correct Harsh. Okay. Thank you so much Viren for subscribing from all the 3 devices. Okay. Aradhna. Okay. B is correct. Yes. Question number 51. B. Components in foods which are essentially needed by our body. ऐसे components which are present in food and which are, why do we eat food? For energy. Apart from energy, there are certain components present which are essentially needed by our body. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Nutrients. हम कहते हैं ना, you should eat food to get good nutrients. Good amount of food you should eat. You should eat healthy foods to get nutrients. So nutrients are the components which are present in the food and which are required or needed by our body. Okay, so the right answer is nutrients. Next we have is question number 52. Excessive bleeding during an injury is the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K or vitamin E. The questions from deficiency disease, mainly from taste and digestion. Okay, excessive bleeding during an injury is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, B, K or E. B, no. 52C, very good Anita. C is the right answer. Correct Mokshangna, correct Riyan, very good. C is the correct answer. Good, yes. Aniket, Himan, Kavna, Harsh, Dharam, Anjani, Atharv. Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness or retinal disease. Correct this one. Very good. Okay, it's okay, Sneha. The right answer here is C. Excessive bleeding during an injury is the deficiency of vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for the clotting of blood. अगर हमारी body में there is a deficiency of vitamin K, तो blood clot होना बंद हो जाएगा. And what will happen? We will suffer from excessive bleeding. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. What does vitamin A deficiency causes? Vitamin A deficiency causes night blindness. Vitamin B deficiency causes beriberi. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy. Vitamin D deficiency causes, write down, rickets. Okay. Then iron deficiency, all the deficiency disease जो हम लोग study करते हैं, iron deficiency causes anemia. Calcium deficiency causes brittle bones, or what you call osteoporosis. Okay. Then we have one more, iodine deficiency. The deficiency of iodine in our body causes goiter. Okay, so this much of deficiency disease, everyone, you should know, you should study, and you should write down about them. Okay, Harsh, then you must know all of this because you have studied today only, okay? So these are the deficiency diseases that we have. Okay. Next is question number 53. Germs are also called as pathogens, bacteria, yeasts and disease. This is the topic of microbial disease. From here onwards, we have questions from microbial disease. Germs are also known as pathogens, bacteria, yeast or fungi. When will the live end, Sneha? After 75 questions. This live session Takshil is for class 6, Sainik school and Rashtriya military school entrance exams. A, very good. No, B, not B. Aradhana? Very good, Jaswan. Jaswan had studied everything very thoroughly. No, Atharva. B is not the right answer, Aradhana. B is not the right answer, Atharva. Have a look. Germs are also known as pathogens. Okay. What are pathogens or germs? Pathogens or germs are disease causing microorganisms. Such microorganisms which cause disease, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? We call them pathogen. Pathogen is the scientific term. Common term क्या है? The common daily day-to-day life term is germs. Okay. Dettol, Lifebuoy advertisements are there on the television. They say Dettol kills 99.99% germs. That means Dettol kills 99.99% pathogens. तो कहीं पे भी अब germs word आ जाएगा. Always keep in mind, germ stands for pathogen. Bacteria, yeast and fungi are types of microorganisms. Bacteria, yeast and fungi are also pathogens, but they are not the exact definition of pathogens. Okay, understood? So the right answer is yes. In the one of the questions I have already told this, in the microbial disease lecture also I have told it. Okay, so pathogens is the right answer. Next question we have is question number 54. Which of the following is used to preserve food grains at home? Spinach leaves, curry leaves, neem leaves or tulsi leaf. What do we use to preserve food at, not food necessarily, grains at home? Good evening, Arman. Which of the following is used to preserve food grains at home? C, very good. Everyone, very good. C is the right answer. No Dharam, not B. No Rayan, not B. C, क्या यूज करते हैं हम घरों में फूड ग्रेन्स को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए? What do we use? Yes, Radha Rani. C is correct answer. The right answer is C. Correct, Mokshangna. Neem leaves. Okay. Neem leaves have some antimicrobial, antibacterial properties, and we use neem leaves to preserve food grains at home. Question number 55. The time at which we cut the crop is called harvesting, sowing, protection, or none of these. The time जिस पे आप क्रॉप्स को हार्वेस्ट करते हो, व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट टाइम? I just told the answer. I think the time at which we cut the crops. What do we call it? C. Okay. Neem leaves was the correct. 55th A. Very good. Just one answered first this time. This time I have seen and praised. Just one you have answered first. Aradhya, little girl. Amita, Dharam, Kavna, Mokshangna. No, Arman. Sowing is incorrect. A is the right answer. Very good. Yes. Harvesting. Correct. Kanika, Radharani, Atharva. Ash is the answer. Aradhya. Good. Okay. Harvesting, the time at which we cut the crops. Okay. Cutting of grown crops is called as harvesting only. Okay. or we called as harvesting is also known as harvest of crops. So harvesting. What is sowing? Sowing of seeds. जब आप seeds sow करते हो, that is called as sowing. Okay, so it is harvesting. Question number 56. Festivals associated with the harvesting season are Baisakhi, Holi, Pongal, all of these. Agriculture का जो topic है, from these question are. Okay, we have a topic of agriculture in our syllabus of Sainik school entrance exam. From this, the topic is festivals associated with harvesting season. Baisakhi, Holi, Pongal, all of these. Yes, Divya, Atharva, A is the correct answer. Sowing of seeds is sowing, Harsh, not the growing of seeds. D, all of them, very good. No, Himan, not only Baisakhi. Holi is also associated with the harvesting season. Pongal is also associated with the harvesting season. D is the correct answer here. Okay, Manasmita, not only A, D is the harvesting season, correct just one. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. Very good. All of these, all the three festivals are the festivals of harvesting seasons. Next we have is question 57. Manure is prepared from plant waste, animal waste, cow dung, all of these. Yes, Khushi, D is the correct answer. Very good, Jaswant. Jaswant has studied everything very thoroughly. Good, Jaswant. 57th, D. Holi is for colors, but it has a significance of harvesting season also. Okay, Harsh, not only of colors. It is a festival of colors, but it is a harvesting festival also. No, not C, Shahid. C is incorrect. D correct answer. Aradhya, question number 56. D was incorrect answer for 56th. D was incorrect. 57th. Again, D is the correct answer. Manure. Okay, manure is a natural फर्टिलाइजर के नाम से भी हम कई बार कहते हैं नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर ओके वी मेक इट एट आवर ओन मैन्योर इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम you use plant waste, you use animal waste and excreta and cow dung. All of them are decomposed by certain methods and all of them are used for the formation of manure. What does manure does? Manure replenish the nutrients of soil. What does manure do? Manure replenish the soil nutrients. Okay, so manure as well as compost. Question number 58. This soil is also known as regor soil. This is a previous year question. This soil is also known as regor soil. Black soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil or red soil. Which soil is also known by the name of regor soil? Thank you, Sneha. A happy Independence Day to you as well and to everyone. A very happy Independence Day. Correct. A. Very good. Viren, C is not the right answer. Okay. A. Regular soil. No, not regular. Regor. R-E-G-U-R. Okay. A is the correct answer here. Regor soil. Black soil is also known by the name of regor soil. Black soil is essentially fertile for the crops of cotton. So black soil is also known as regor soil. Question number 58. Shifting cultivation is also known as jhum cultivation, jhumaru cultivation, jhin cultivation or jhumri cultivation. Okay, shifting cultivation is also known as it is not clear to you, Khushi. Okay, we have to yet study this topic. जब हम farming and agriculture का topic पढ़ेंगे, in this we study the shifting cultivation. What happens in shifting cultivation? एक land पे पहले farming करते हैं, then after few years we shift to another land, we burn this off and we leave it for several years. Okay, this way. Shifting cultivation. Right, everyone. Correct. A is the correct answer. Jhum cultivation is a shifting cultivation. Cultivation is sowing of seeds, going of crop, harvesting of crops. To cultivate crop is cultivation. Okay. So the right answer here is shifting cultivation is also known as jhum cultivation in some parts of the India. Next is 60. Name the crops which are grown in the summer season. Crops, summer season crops. What is the name of summer season crop? Z crop, Rabi crop, Kharif crop. None of these. Summer season crops को ही हम कहते हैं crops grown between Kharif and Rabi season. Crops grown between Kharif and Rabi season. Correct. अथर्व, आराध्या 58th क्वेश्चन के लिए आराध्या ने आंसर किया है. ओके. 60B. No, winter season crops are Rabi crops. Okay. Right answer here is Z crops. Okay. Z crops includes like watermelons. Watermelons are your examples of Z crops. It is a very small crop of around 2 to 3 months. Z crops. So Z crops, these are the summer season crops. Rabi crops are your winter season crops. Okay. And then we have Kharif crops. Kharif crops are monsoon or rainy season crops. Okay. Yes. Okay. Next is question number 61. The process of loss of water through leaves is called. Okay. From the water cycle, this topic is, the question is process of loss of water. The process of loss of water. 61D, transpiration. Very good. Good, Jaswant. Good, Radharani. Amita, C is incorrect. Viren, C is incorrect. Anjani is correct here. Kavna, incorrect. Heman, correct. Aradhna, correct. Aditya, correct. Harsh, incorrect. Kanika, correct. Okay. Transpiration. What is transpiration? Loss of water through leaves. Okay. Loss of water through leaves is transpiration. What is evaporation? Evaporation is simply loss of water. If it happens through leaves, then it is called as transpiration. If loss of water is happening for surface, okay, general loss of water from lakes, ponds, all of that is called as evaporation. Condensation. What is condensation? Cooling down of water vapors is condensation. Okay, in the water cycle, step 2, cooling down of water vapor is condensation, and photosynthesis, formation or synthesis of food by leaves of plants. Okay, is photosynthesis. So the right answer for this question is transpiration. Question number 62. Stagnant water is more prevalent in rainy season, summer season, winter season, all of these. When you will find, very commonly find stagnant water. Yes. Okay. Good, Heman. Correct answer. Very good, Anjani. Very good, Kavna. Manasmita, Radha, Jaswant, Aradhna, Mokshangna. C is incorrect here. Okay. Seema, A is correct. Aditya is correct. Harsh is correct. Very good, everyone. Stagnant water. Stagnant water का meaning होता है जमा हुआ पानी. Okay. Stagnant, जमा हुआ. Correct. Hartesh, Anand, and Atharva. Very good. It's okay, Sneha. Stagnant water is more prevalent in rainy seasons. Okay. Stagnant water और जमा हुआ पानी आपको more commonly कहाँ मिलेगा? You will find it more commonly in the rainy seasons. आपने surrounding में भी देखोगे. So very commonly you are able to find stagnant water. Summers में the water gets evaporate. Winter seasons में also water is not there. Only in the rainy season stagnant water बहुत prevalent होता है. So answer is rainy season. Scientifically, the rain is called precipitation, condensation, evaporation, or collection. What is the scientific name of rain? What is the scientific name of rain? D. Collection. No, collection is not the scientific name. Sanjay is correct. Good Sanjay. Viren is correct. Manasmita is correct here. Aditya, Rani, no, incorrect. Anand is correct. Aradhna is correct here. This is, I think, a tricky question. Precipitation, correct Rayan, correct Harsh. Hartesh, okay. Himan doesn't know it. It's okay, Himan. Jaswant, incorrect. Scientifically, the rain is called precipitation. Okay, precipitation का क्या meaning होता है? Any form of water coming from clouds to earth. Okay, any form of water that comes from cloud to earth is precipitation. तो कितने forms में water आएगा from clouds to earth? Only in the two form, either in the form of rainfall or either in the form of snowfall. So both rainfall and snowfall are actually the examples of precipitation only. Okay, both the examples are of precipitation. So rainfall or snowfall, both of them includes precipitation. It's okay. Atharv, okay. Precipitation. Condensation का क्या meaning है? First step in the water cycle, water evaporate हुआ था, it goes into the atmosphere, then into the clouds. Due to cold temperature, the water vapor gets condensed. Okay, that is condensation. Next is question number 64. Gandhiji went on Dandi March Yatra from Dandi Seashore to Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad to Dandi Seashore, Hyderabad to Dandi Seashore, or Dandi Seashore to Hyderabad. Dandi March. 64th A. 60, just want to check your answer. How come A is the correct answer for 61? 64th question. 10 pages till now, Aditya. Very good. Jaswant, your answer is incorrect. B is the correct answer. Okay. Gandhiji went on Dandi March Yatra from Ahmedabad to Dandi Seashore. Dandi se Ahmedabad nahi gaye the Jaswant. They didn't went from Dandi to Ahmedabad. Instead from Ahmedabad to Dandi. Right answer is option B. That's why it's called as Dandi March, from Ahmedabad to Dandi. Question number 65. What is the boiling point of water? The boiling point of any liquid is the point at which the liquid starts boiling. So what is the boiling point of water? A is the correct answer. Very good, Atharv. Seema, B is not the right answer. No, Himan, not B. Viren is correct here. A, very good. Yes, A is the correct answer. What is the boiling point? Hartesh, your answer is also correct. A is the correct answer. Very good, Arman, Radha, Aradhna, Kanika, Swastika. Very good. For 56th question, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius always. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius पे water starts boiling. So boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. 66th question. Which of the following preservation techniques cannot be applied at home? Which preservation techniques? Food preservation technique. Which of the following food preservation technique cannot be applied at home? Smoking, dehydration, salting, or radiation. Which of these you cannot apply at your home? Okay, Sarthak. D, radiation. Very good. Everyone is correct here. Yes, it is D. Okay. D is the right answer. I didn't got to see the rain. Who was first? D is the right answer. Radiation. Okay, radiation therapy में हम क्या in the radiation preservation what we do, we use UV rays, gamma rays or X rays for the preservation of food. What we do, हम use करते हैं UV rays, gamma rays और X rays. Smoking involves use of smoke that is produced from burning of wood. It contains some antimicrobial compounds. What are antimicrobial compounds, everyone? Antimicrobial compounds are the compounds which kill microorganisms. So smoking. Dehydration, removal of water from food. Okay, removal of water from food is dehydration, used as preservation. Salting is use of salt for preservation. So smoking you can do at home. Dehydration, आप food को sunlight में रखते हो, like we keep amlas in the sunlight for preservation. That's dehydration. Salting, we make achar or pickles using salt or edible oil. That is salting, but we cannot do dehydration, radiation at home because it involves the use of these rays. So the right answer is radiation. Next question is question number 67. Which of the following chemicals is used to preserve food? Sodium benzoate, methane, vinegar, both A and C. Which of the following chemicals we use to preserve food at home? D. Very good. It's okay. कोई बात नहीं अरमान. Okay. It's okay, Athar. No need to say sorry. For this question, everyone is answering correctly. D is the right answer. Okay. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is D. Which of the following chemicals is used for the preservation of food? Sodium benzoate and vinegar. Sodium benzoate and vinegar both are the examples of synthetic preservatives. Both of them are the examples of synthetic preservatives. Okay, so answer is D, both A and C. Methane हम use नहीं करते. Methane instead is the main component of natural gas. So sodium benzoate and vinegar. Question number 68. Cake is cooked by which of the following methods? Boiling, baking, frying or steaming? By which method you cook cake? Yes, Sarthak, D was the right answer. Good, Hartes. Atharv, D is the correct answer. Viren. Correct answer, Viren. Very good. Jaswant. Viren is first, then Jaswant. Mokshangna, then Himan, Sarthak, Aradhya, Aradhna. Very good. Good, everyone. The right answer is B. How do we prepare the cake? Cake is prepared by baking all the bakery products you have. They are prepared by baking only. So the right answer is baking. Question number 69. Which part of the digestive system is mainly responsible for absorption of water? Once again, question from taste and digestion. Okay, which part of digestive system is mainly responsible for water absorption? Water absorption कहाँ होता है in the digestive system? Esophagus, small intestine, large intestine, trachea. Okay, just one. That's good. C is not correct. Very good. Sarthak, good. The answer is correct. Good. Mokshangna, Aditya, Aradhna, then Harsh, Hartes, Aradhya, Swastika, good. Correct. Okay. Absorption of water. Water and minerals का absorption कहाँ होता है? In the large intestine. So right answer is large intestine. Absorption of water and mineral absorption happens in large intestine. In small intestine, the food that we had eaten, from that nutrient absorption takes place. So a lot of times students get confused between the function of large intestine and the function of small intestine. Small intestine, absorption of nutrients. Large intestine, absorption of mainly water. Esophagus is commonly called as food pipe. जब भी आप कोई food eat करते हो, when you swallow it, so it goes straight into your stomach. By which organ it goes into the stomach? It goes with the help of food pipe or esophagus. Then food digest हो जाता है and it gets absorbed. Nutrients कहाँ absorb होंगे? Small intestine में. Water कहाँ absorb होगा? In the large intestine. Okay? Yes, C, large intestine was the correct answer. Question number 70. In the human body, which part does not contain any sweat glands? Palms, toes, armpits or lips? What are sweat glands? Sweat glands are sweat producing glands. Okay? The sweat producing glands are sweat glands. So which part of the human body do not contain any sweat glands? Option D is lips. 69, C was the right answer. Yes, Satharv. For question number, no. Aradhya and Sarthak, C is not the correct answer. The right answer is here, lips. Lips, nails, these parts do not contain any sweat glands. Okay? These parts do not contain any sweat glands. Palm, toes and armpits have sweat glands. Question number 71. Cactus plants lives in the terrestrial region of desert, grassland, forest or mountain. Where can you find the cactus plant? Yes, Bhuvan. Where will you find the cactus plant? Correct. Atharv. 71. A. Very good. A. Everyone is answering A and A is the correct answer. Very good, everyone. Okay. Where will we find cactus plant? Cactus is found in desert region, in the terrestrial plants, in the terrestrial region in desert. It's a desert plant. Non-living thing among the following: tree, grasshopper, log, piece or dog. Which one among the following is non-living thing? One more word we use for non-living, that is abiotic. Which one among the following is non-living? Yes, Bhuvan, deserts. C, very good. Once again, yet correct answer. Okay, Aradhya, how come log piece, a tree is living? The right answer is C, log piece. Okay, log piece means we have wooden log stick. So a piece of wooden log is a non-living thing. Question number 73. How do fishes give alarm calls? Topic of sense organs. How do fishes give alarm calls? How do fishes give alarm calls? Quickly. C. Calling, speaking, electric signals. Correct, Khushi. 72. C. Okay, 73. Very good. For 73rd, correct, Sarthak. Harsh, very good. Aradhya. Right. The right answer is electric signals. When do fishes and aquatic animals or other animals give alarm calls? When they give alarm calls. Okay. That is when fishes give alarm calls. So these alarm calls are given through the electric signals which are released by the fishes. Question number 74. Leander Paes is a famous tennis player, chess player, cricket player, freestyle wrestler. A very famous player, Leander Paes. Yes, Leander Paes is quickly. Question number 74. Yes, good, Khushi. Tennis player. I knew Khushi would answer it correctly because Khushi already told me one time in the class. Good, Khushi. Hartesh, Kanika, Bhuvan, very good. Yes, here you cannot speak, Sneha. Leander Paes is a famous tennis player. Okay, Leander Paes is a famous tennis player. So the answer is A, tennis player. And last question of today, the question number 75. Who was the first full-time Women Defense Minister of India? Who was the first full-time Women Defense Minister of India? Most important questions. Smriti Irani, Uma Bharti, Sushma Swaraj or Nirmala Sitaraman? You gave the answer first. Okay, Hartesh. 75A. No, Smriti Irani was not and was never a defense minister. D. No, Nirmala Sitaraman. Correct. Kavna. B is not the right answer. Okay. Correct Khushi. Correct Swastika. Bhuvan. Very good. Arman. Correct. Viren. C is not correct. Aradhya is correct. Good. The right answer is Nirmala Sitaraman. Nirmala Sitharaman was the first full-time women defense minister of India. Before Nirmala Sitharaman, we often have had defense minister, but none of them were the female or women defense minister. So Nirmala Sitharaman, a very important name, women defense minister, first women defense minister of India. Okay. So these were everyone the 75 questions that we have practiced today. These were very important on the occasion of 15th August. We have had these 75 questions. Okay. In addition, आप में से कुछ students ने देखा भी होगा that Knowell Bell has launched the study material for the preparation of Sainik School and Rashtriya Military School Entrance Exam 2023. It is a set of 8 books. Okay. It is a set of complete 8 books. There will be complete 8 books for GK, for English, for reasoning, for mathematics, and these 8 books have 5000 plus MCQ questions. Okay, 5000 plus MCQ objective questions उसमें होंगे. This will be shipped at your postal address along with the OMR sheets. And if in case कहीं पे आपको doubt है in any of the questions, so in 5000 questions के लिए we also have video solutions. Okay, so anytime you can access the video solutions, plus you can also access 15 model paper for RMS as well as for Sainik School. और in model papers का जो solution होगा, this we will be having in our live classes. Okay, so any one of the students who are interested in this, you can contact on the number and get the complete details. Okay, Arman, to buy them, you can contact me on the number 8305103918. Okay. 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 Bye, Atharv. Bye, Sneha. Aradhya, you are already in the course, so you do not need to buy that. Okay. Okay. No, Arman, this is for class 6. For class 9, we are in the preparation. जैसे release होगा, we will notify you all. Okay. But this is strictly for class 6. Okay. So bye everyone. Good night. Good night, Mokshangna. Once again, a very happy Independence Day. Also, the timing of tomorrow's class, we have 8:15 p.m. Tomorrow, we will be having class once again at 8:15 p.m. Okay. So bye everyone. Good night. Bye Atharv. Bye Swastika. Bye Sarthak. Bye Sneha. Bye everyone. Okay. Good night and bye.